Hey everyone. I'm in my bedroom right now. I just got outside and that's great. Um, and it's cloudy and it's still there's still a big puddle of water outside where the parking lot is. But I'm fine. Everybody's fine. And it was a long night, long morning, long last night, and long morning. But I'm fine. So and you got guys and gals have a wonderful day. And so I'm fine. The Hurricane Milton is out of here now. Out of here. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. 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 It is gone. It is left the building. It is out of here. It is gone. But we're just gonna have to do a lot of cleanup. A lot of cleanup. A lot of cleanup from the floods, from the storm. A lot of cleanup. A lot of help out the rescue people. Rescue people will be there. Probably are there now, and helping out the people in Tampa and in all the areas that it went through the storm. And pretty much it's pretty much is fine. I'm fine. It was basically it was a long night, long morning, long night during the storm. Basically, it was a long night, long through the storm. So I'm tired. I'm awake now. I got up at 12:37 right now. So everything's fine. Um, yeah, a lot of cleanup. I'm gonna be cleaning up a lot of cleanup. Rescue people will be, everywhere to clean up, help out communities everywhere. It's gonna be a long couple weeks to clean up a lot from both hurricanes. Even the weather guy mentioned about Irma. That was a long time ago. He mentioned about that one. I didn't. I forgot about that hurricane that went through here before when I came down here to live down here. Um, yeah, they mentioned that one on the weather news thing this morning. But yeah, there's gonna be a lot of cleanup. I cannot believe the Tropicana field where one of the pay-per-views that I watch in wrestling, WWE Royal Rumble, is gone. That roof is gone. Is gone. I cannot believe it's gone. Um, I I think they mentioned there were people in there, but they're safe now. They're safe. They got out of the way, and it it looks like a it looked bad. And there was a crane that fell down in Tampa on a building, and they mentioned about that one. And then when cranes fall when during these storms, it always be you have to be safe, not things falling on people. There was nobody there, so there was nobody there because everybody's gone. So somebody was filming that and during that, and there were tornadoes during this. It was bad. But I pray for everyone of the state of Florida, everywhere. Everyone went through this storm. Even even we lost the people who are people who lost their lives. I pray for those people and their families, and that people lost their lives during this storm and tornadoes. It 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 was it was not good. It is not good. So it's not good. So anyways, I'm fine here. Everyone, love you guys, love you girls. Um, and and hope everybody's fine where they're at. Hope everybody stays safe during this storm, from both storms. You know, the tornadoes and this hurricane that went through here. But it is literally gone now. It is out of the door. It is out of the picture. It is out, probably out in the ocean somewhere. Who knows? I don't care where it went. So it is gone now. But anyways, I just want to tell you this was the update today, and the next video today I'm probably going to do is my main stuff. You know, eat, drink my drink my soda, relax, probably watch TV. Who knows? Who knows what I do? You know, same old, same old, same old, same old, same old, same old, same old things. What I do every day, whatever I do every day, and whatever I do at night, and whatever I do every week. So, anyways, everything's fine. So I'm in my bedroom, you know, I'm in my bedroom, and everything's fine. So, anyways, I'm gonna get up, and you know what I'm gonna do what I always do, what I just said in this video. So, take care, everyone. Stay safe. Love you guys, gals, everyone. Take safe, everyone. And I'll see you whenever in next video, and bye. Bye everyone. Bye. See ya.